Activity 3, second part. The activity is for the same purpose to show that the particles of matter are continuously moving. Step 1. Take 2 beakers filled with water. Step 2. Put a few drops of ink in a beaker A. One beaker is named as A and the other is B. Step 3. Leave it undisturbed. Now what is the observation? Now what we have done, that we have taken a beaker filled with water and we have put a drop of ink in the beaker and it is remaining undisturbed. Now what we have observed, after some time we see that the particles of ink dissolve on their own without stirring into water. Means the ink starts to dissolve in water by itself. Then the conclusion is that particles of matter are continuously moving. It is happening because the particles of matter are continuously moving. Then activity 3, third part. Step 1. Take few drops of ink in water in beaker B as demonstrated in above activity. Step 2. Now heat the beaker B. Observation: particles of ink dissolve fastly in water. Instead of taking the ink, we can also take here copper sulfate or potassium permanganate. Conclusion is that on heating, the kinetic energy of particles increases. Kinetic energy of anything is due to its motion. Because the particles are in motion, therefore we are telling about the kinetic energy. On heating, the kinetic energy of particles increases and particles start to move further faster. So particles start to dissolve further faster. So we say that phenomena of diffusion increases on increasing the temperature. Means when the temperature is increased, the kinetic energy of the particles also increase and the particles start to move more faster and therefore they diffuse into the particles of other matter more faster. Now, what is diffusion? Diffusion is the process of intermixing of particles of matter on their own. What is diffusion? Diffusion is the process of intermixing of particles of matter on their own. Means if the particles of one matter intermix with the particles of other matter on their own without any process of stirring, etc., that is called diffusion. Now here see, here is the beaker. In this beaker water is taken and this is the drop of ink. It is shown that it is intermixing with the particles of water by themselves. Ink slowly starts to dissolve itself in water. Now this was the activity 3.